Alright, y'all, my dog hooked me up today. Told y'all we getting this shit done. Gonna have another one right there. Play with it. It's coming along. Gotta go get the chainsaw so we can put some pieces of wood everywhere. Make this interesting. One day, I'm gonna have all my dogs come over here, and y'all, we finna get it in. Wraps around the tree. So we're gonna put pieces of wood all around. So guess what? I'm on my way to go get the chainsaw right now. But we ain't gonna get this done until tomorrow. Well, some more of it. Hope y'all boys enjoy it when you come over here, man. Cause I'm definitely finna enjoy it. I'm finna shoot a video in a minute. Alright, y'all, peace. Oh, wait till that clay get in here too. Y'all think I'm bullshitting, but I'm finna have a mini track over here. I got the clay coming in a couple of days. I ain't bullshitting, I'm gonna tell you that now. Alright, y'all, peace. Alright, guys. Got some more of it done today. My brother hooked me up some more. Check that out. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. It's coming. It's coming. Check that out. Drop down. Okay. Yeah. I'm happy about that, man. Shout out to my dog, Todd. He doing his thing. All right, y'all. We out of here. Peace.
Oh, you started it?
Yeah. All right, guys. We're at hobby time. We're gonna try out the course right quick. But check this out. We coming soon to put a video on YouTube. Let me put my bag down so I can get it in for real.
Oh shit.
Oh, I need to do it. I know. Let me get a mess right quick. Oh, he made this for real. This is real. What the hell did he build here, man? You really gotta take your time through here. Do that part.
Yeah.
You built this course for Axial.
Probably. Because it was Adam and Kyle. They both got axial.
I know I'm cheating, y'all. I don't care.
This was a test run.
Yeah. I'm gonna be back because now y'all make me want to come learn. That's what I need too, a piece of tire for at home.
Yeah. Whoa. Something that I hate is how they like you go in reverse and they just shoot back so fast.
I had it on the fast one. That's what I should have had it on the whole time. So next time I come. Alright, y'all. There we go.